So we just got here. Where are we, Lupita? How the hell are we supposed to get over this?
Dude, this is it. Actually, don't want that.
Okay, I think we have to take our shoes off.
Okay.
Where are we, Lupita?
Newport Beach. It looks better.
We finally made it. What time is it? A ver. We left at midnight and it's 9:37. Oh, look at this beach. And we didn't put sunscreen.
I know.
I'm falling. But I still picnic and shit. Scared to go in. That's a good place to eat. Right there. She's struggling. She helps her boyfriend, but her boyfriend don't help her.
I'm gonna see that.
Oh, he's mad. The mood bug and shit. Apúranse! This is hour 5 and they still can't get in the water all the way. Apúrense, niños. What the fuck? When the guys get bored. So guys, we made it to our house. I am burned. I'm gonna give you my room tour because I don't know if the other people are gonna want me to record their room. Hold up. This is what you see when you walk in. This is our mess. Don't look at that. This is the room. We got the master bedroom. Got a little table, you know. This is the bathroom. We got a big old closet. And this is the bathroom. Yes, it's pretty nice. And this is me. I'm gonna show you guys outside how it looks. Cajones y todo. Look at, we have a nice desert view as if we did not come from a desert. Anyways, I'm going to shower and I don't know what we're gonna do. And I'm whispering because I don't want them to hear me. I'm a little shy. But I'm about to get in the shower, so I'll see you guys later. This is the other bathroom. And then there's another room. Another room. They're sleeping. Go down the stairs. And then this is the entrance. So you come here, you see this, stairs upstairs. You come in, they have a piano. Carlos! They have a playroom, fireplace, the kitchen. Good. It's the next day and we're getting ready, well, we're ready Anyways, I'll see you guys later.
Good morning, Ed. Like this, you go like this. Welcome back, guys, to the vlog. Look at this beautiful view we still have. Bam! 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 You mean there's nothing but desert? Even though we left desert to watch more desert? It's okay.
Let's go.
I need my charger because I need to charge my car.
Let's go see what everyone else is doing.
Hey, can you charge it?
Ready? Which one?
What?
This or this?
I like the fanny pack.
Gang, gang, gang.
What did David say?
Are you gonna watch the Dodgers or what?
You guys are rude. I know you're gonna say something on my shirt.
To maintain with the doors closed at all times.
Annoying ass.
Driver, we are clear. For your safety, remain seated with the doors closed, keeping your hands on.
We're here, guys. Lupita's fighting with her boyfriend like always.
Huh?
I said Lupita fighting with her boyfriend like always. We're here. I think only 4.
No, because that was like, how many tickets do you like? How many tickets will you like?
You can see the castle.
Space Mountain.
Oh, look at Minnie! Minnie!
Open the pineapple.
No way.
Why you pineapple?
So we are at a pizzeria at downtown Disney and we're gonna eat pizza.
Boring.
And I'm gonna eat pineapple. Who's boring, Lupita?
David. David is boring.
Boring.
Who was boring yesterday?
Me. Me and David. So we are in the line for what? I can tell my son.
Star Wars.
Star Wars. And where's your boyfriend?
Pirates of the Caribbean.
All the way up there for this line. It's a 15-minute wait. Did I say that already?
But it's been going by so fast.
Hey, what if we do karaoke?
We're at Star Wars. Blue gas line. Big ass line. Press the red button. That didn't do nothing.
And we'll let you guys know when we're in the ride. Bye!
David, he's like, you play too much.
You do it.
Really?
You know, why don't we just talk to my back?
Do you get mango?
Okay, no.
Are you sure?
Yes, yes, next week.
I'm telling you. Hey, David told me that I play too much.
His feelings.
No, with other people, Carlos.
Oh,
Do you get butter?
why?
Okay,
Were you
that's
tell me?
why.
Were you tell me that's a joke? The joke here is you.
Oh no!
Ooh.
Trying to go to a Dodgers game with your outfit.
It's a Dodgers, really?
Los Angeles Dodgers.
Yeah. When you come to Disney, but you wanted to go to a Dodgers game.
Hey,
Oh, I know. That's why I said. That's why I said boring back.
do you get butter?
No. Yeah, that's what do you think I kept saying? Boring.
Oh, see, that's not so David. I'm like, el que se lleva se aguanta. And clearly,
Si aguanta el güey.
se aguanta. I can't still believe that you guys learned It's a love-hate relationship.
Nah, I think it's mostly hate.
It's a love-hate relationship.
You know I love. She knows I love her.
Who texted her? Let's see.
¿That's ahora?
Babe texted her.
What?
What are you gonna do? What are you gonna do
Hey,
to the
hard to record
I'm
everything.
gonna throw her ass off this damn building for playing too much.
If she keeps what? She keeps talking what?
Shit.
Keep talking shit. I'm gonna throw her off. Look at that.
And we still have to go up there and who knows how many more flights.
Look at the fast pass. It's empty.
There's no fast pass, that's why.
Ay, Carlos.
Yeah, there is.
Quería ser shareable moments.
Who does Pinky Promises with Lupita?
David?
Pinky promise we have to get
I think you should call this vlog how me and David. A day with me and David at Disneyland apart. That's so
Lupita,
sad.
your ship is leaving.
Just imagine, if you were standing right here over 60 years ago, you'd be standing in the middle of an orange grove. One visionary man stood right where you are now, but instead of orange trees, he envisioned a magic
My
kingdom.
hand is on her.
This man's name was Walt Disney, and his dream would be called Disneyland.
It's been said that as long as there is imagination left in the world, Disneyland will never be complete.
Imagination? We got a lot of that around here. Right, Tinkerbell? Not a girl, Tink. Sprinkle your pixie dust. Let's show them just how magical this place can be. Come on, everybody. Here we go. Where you can dream aloud, your heart will follow. And sing along. The moment's here and now. Inside we all know if we believe in the fantasy, it will carry us away, carry us away. You and me making memories today. Step into the
We're at Newport Beach. It's a lot of people. A lot of people.